Hey there, tech-savvy viewers. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of IPTV boxes, uncovering everything you need to know to get started and boost your entertainment setup. We'll explore how IPTV can revolutionize your TV experience, offering endless channels and content with just one compact device, ready to transform the way you watch shows and movies. Setting up your IPTV box is easier than you might think. We'll provide step-by-step instructions so you can start streaming your favorite content smoothly and effortlessly. Worried about missing your favorite channels? Say goodbye to traditional TV woes as we reveal how IPTV offers a vast selection of shows and movies worldwide. Stay ahead of the curve with the latest IPTV trends in 2023, featuring cutting-edge technologies that will keep your viewing experience fresh and engaging. Don't forget to visit https://www.2tv.store/ for exclusive IPTV solutions that fit your lifestyle. Subscribe for more tech insights and elevate your entertainment today.